Welcome to my channel. In this video I intend to show you my new book by Christl Vogl. If you follow my videos, you know that I love to color Christl Vogl pictures. I usually do at least one page in months or even in 2 months, and currently I own two kind of her books. My first book, it was a very lovely gift. It was a book published in Germany by Einhorn, probably, sorry guys, German. It's a puzzle for me. I won't even try to pronounce names correctly. So that was my first book, where we have pictures dedicated to various flowers, plants, short story or poem, and then we have the main flower and a lot of lovely creatures, nice animals, all those forest folk kind of trolls, then elves, and they always very well depicted, so botanically accurate everything, and they always put a smile on my face because all of her pictures, they are full of nice, good humor, a lot of lovely details. In her first book I slightly struggled with with background. Paper here is quite good. I tried watercolor, I tried water-soluble pencils, and water-soluble pencils probably right now is my favorite media here for the background. Also, I colored with both professional and budget pencils, and you know, budget pencils like Arteza or Color also worked quite well here, so I definitely will try to use more of my Chinese sets here because I really love how they worked here. This one I did with Kohinoor Mondeluz pencils on the background, so I'm very happy with the paper quality. And background, that was my biggest problem, but finally when I realized that I need to limit amount of background and not to do the whole page, it really resolved this problem, and I started to color in this book more easy. I even have a bookmark on the page which I want to color next. So that was the first type of the book. Another publisher who do books with Christl Vogl art, that's Top. Here we have totally different size and pictures are maybe even more detailed. I also love this series. I love paper here, so I enjoy both editions. Now, about this one. The name of the book, I think that it's translated like Coloring Friends, but inside we have the same idea. Each page is dedicated to one flower or one plant, and then of course story about elves and other lovely creatures. Paper is totally the same as in this book, which I demonstrated you. Here we can see what else we have in this series. Wonderful series by Christl Vogl, and in the end we have also full color books. I think that they also, maybe they in the store you can find matching full color and coloring book. I think that it's very good idea if you color together with your children, for example. Okay, so let me show you these beautiful pictures. Again, story. Here we have this anemone flower, lovely elves. I would say that comparing to the first book, these pictures are more detailed, so I expect a longer time to color them, but I totally don't mind, because I love to find small lovely details on her pictures. Like, look at this pile of berries, leaves, which the snail is carrying. Look at all those tiny animals which we have on the foreground. Everything is very nicely depicted, very sweet faces, and look at the owl. I love that her animals in these books, they are animated. They do some nice activities, they have lovely faces. Look at those creatures, so lovely. Such a beautiful dress. Definitely I need to do this one. You know that I love everything about stitching, about sewing, so this one definitely will go into my to-do list. It's nice that we can select either bigger or slightly smaller picture as a shorter progress. Paper is quite good, so I don't worry that book in such way looks double-sided. This one we can consider as one-sided because here I have only this flower frame. I hadn't colored it, so all pictures were on the right side. But with such paper, I think that I will be perfectly able to color all pictures here. And again, look at this beautiful elf with a brush, so nice. Many pictures here, they have this composition a little bit like pyramid, triangular, but I think that it also will be totally possible to create a frame to limit my background, and I prefer it in such way rather than coloring until the very edge of the page. I will be doing my own frames here. Maybe those smaller pictures I can color completely without background. I am not obsessed with each page has to have the background. No, absolutely no. Maybe for bigger pictures, yes. I would prefer to do the background, even just a simple blue or green color. Here I intend to color without background and they still will look nice. Look at this frog. That's definitely my favorite. But the mouse, it's also great, especially look at this kind of skirt created from violet flowers probably. Well, so nice. That's what I'm talking when I say that I love to find these tiny adorable elements slightly hidden behind the main characters. Those singing frogs, again, they are absolutely great. Look at them all. Another one of my favorites, and here, so adorable. I think that's the picture from the cover, very elegant. I love how she depicts roses. I definitely need to do it. And look at this very gallant elf. She looks like a queen, and that's maybe her knight. Another mermaid, that's nice, even if I have the full book full of her mermaids, but they are so lovely that I never mind. Guys, if you love to color flowers, if you love to color such flower elves, if you love to use different art supplies, I can definitely recommend this book. Apart from alcohol markers, you will be able to use everything. Oh, that's really another one. It reminds me about illustrations from my childhood fairy tales book. Very beautiful, especially this village. Another very nice, very detailed page. Yes, they will require a lot of time, but also it's quite helpful to practice how to color various berries. Maybe I can invent some new green color combos for the leaves. And here we have a story about Christl Vogl. I hope that she will live many more years and will create many books because her art is absolutely amazing. So with all my heart I can recommend this beautiful book. I hope that quite Soon I can color in it. Maybe the fall season I can divide between those two books. And then, of course, somewhere in the middle of November, all my attention will go to the elves. So I hope that I will have wonderful time with Christl Vogl books. Thank you for watching, and I can recommend this artist. Please support her and you will enjoy everything. Any book available from Christl Vogl, they all are beautiful, so whatever is available in your stores, I am sure that you will enjoy them.